We have 4 nests here, and this is one of the nests. This bird is very cautious, and I don't know exactly what kind of bird it is, but as soon as I come out of the garage, she flies, and so she's off in one of the trees over here. I don't know which one, but they're birds that are very much follow the same trail, do the same things, react the same way, but she knows that humans are not to be trusted, and so she's smart. They're smart. Let me see if I can get a picture of what's going on up here. I know it's up here.